Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export one specific area to PDF in Autocad. This is very useful when you only want to share a certain section of your drawing instead of exporting the entire project. Whether you're sending a detail to a client, printing a selected part of a floor plan, or focusing on a single design area, this method makes the process quick and easy. To get started, open your drawing in Autocad and go to the Output tab located at the top of the interface. This tab contains all the main tools related to plotting, printing, and exporting your drawings. Inside the Output tab, look for the Export option. Click on it and select PDF from the available choices. Once you do that, the export settings will appear on the screen. Now focus on the Export Area settings. Here, you'll find an option that allows you to choose how the drawing will be exported. Change this option to Window. This is the important step because it lets you manually select only the part of the drawing you want to save as a PDF. After selecting Window, click the small selection button beside it. Autocad will temporarily return you to the drawing area so you can choose the exact section you want to export. Using your mouse, click and drag to create a rectangle around the area you want included in the PDF. Make sure everything you need fits properly inside the selection window, because only that portion will appear in the final export. Once the area is selected, Autocad will bring you back to the export settings. From here, you can review the preview if needed, and then continue to save the file. A Save window will appear asking where you want to store the PDF on your computer. Choose your folder, enter a file name that's easy to recognize, and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully exported a specific area of your Autocad drawing into a PDF file without including the entire drawing. This is a very useful technique for presentations, printing details, or sharing focused sections of your work professionally and cleanly. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps a lot.